Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
Now, think of a topic, because we're going to talk a little bit about batch recording in a little bit, but think of a topic and write it down. So I want to give you an example of what happened just with this topic of creating and uploading your video. It started out as the topic was going to be how to optimize your video. And as I started writing about it, I realized that, you know what? They need more than that before that. Some of them don't know what it's like to create and upload. So it just kept changing and morphing into something different. You want to practice it and you want to be there in the most authentic way you can with a level that they probably need to hear you. Best way you can plan your content is to answer a question. Now, we talked a little bit about this before, and we'll probably talk about it a lot more in the future in a lot more videos, but asking or answering a question is one of the best things you could do because it's easy to search what your audience is looking for and provide it for them. So that's really big. So I think that's probably what happened to me for this particular video is I think my people need to know this before they know that, because I know there are a lot of brand new people and a lot of new creators I want to provide this for. And so you want to make it about what they're looking for. Like if you want to have a news channel version or an entertainment version or an educational version, my commitment is to be educational with a little bit of entertainment. So I call myself an infotainer.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.